Humidifier H2 on air handler 9. Look at that. That is some high heat. Had a bunch of alarms. Looked like the tank drain was stuck open for some reason. And some other alarms, temp sensor failure. I'm reading 2 of these heaters as destroyed, according to these top posts, but let's have a look. Oh yeah. There's the middle one, definitely destroyed. And this outer one, I see the same thing. See if I can get a picture of this first one that measured bad. But yeah. Something happened. Looks like it may have ran without water. That's just an educated guess. I don't know yet. I don't know. I wasn't here when the vendor installed them. I wasn't here over the weekend. I don't know what anyone did. But this is what I found today, Sunday.